Online booking means faster appointments. With the option of 24/7 access, there is no need to wait. When you're in pain and getting to know that there are no slots available, we understand how frustrating it can be. You think your hearing impairment is a barrier? Well, not anymore. Is it an eye-opening? Yes, it is. To book online, you can search Nāne Dental Clinic. On the top right corner, we have an online appointment option. Initially, it has a few options to guide you to make the right booking. Are you new to Nāne Dental Clinic? Have you seen us before? What sort of issue are you going through, like tooth pain or sensitivity? So to make this online appointment, it will ask you to fill your basic details and write a small note about your query. And that's it. You will receive a code to confirm your booking, and it's done. Here comes our part. We will contact you anytime soon to gather more information about the pain you're going through. We are open 365 days. Yes, you heard right, including weekends and public holidays. Imagine this all can be done in a few hours. With urgent slots available every day, we are here to help.